Welcome to Kidzpedia. Today we are going to learn ascending and descending order.
Ascending order. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, they are said to be in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big. It is just like climbing up the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, each number gets bigger as you go up. 1 is the smallest number and 8 is the biggest number. These numbers from 1 to 8 are arranged from smallest to biggest. So, they are in ascending order. Now let's talk about descending order. When numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, they are said to be in descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from big to small. It is like coming down the stairs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Each number gets smaller as you go down. Here, 8 is the biggest number and 1 is the smallest number. These numbers from 8 to 1 are arranged from biggest to smallest. So, they are in descending order. Let's practice some more with this activity. Arrange the numbers in ascending order to help little Joe get to school on time. The numbers are 6, 3, 1, 8, 5, 9. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest. So what is the smallest number here? 1. Next we see 3. Then comes 5. What will be the next number? 6. And after that, 8. And last we have 9. Now the numbers 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9 are in ascending order. Small to big. Thanks to you, little Joe got to school on time. Now, let's arrange the numbers in descending order to help little Joe get back home. The numbers are 9, 3, 1, 4, 7, 5. And descending order means biggest to the smallest. So what is the biggest number here? 9. And then comes 7. And what's next? 5. Then 4. Then comes 3. And last we have 1, which is the smallest number. Now the numbers 9, 7, 5, 4, 3 and 1 are in descending order. 9 is the biggest number and 1 is the smallest number. Big to small. Well done! Little Joe has reached home. So remember, ascending is going up from small to big. And descending is going down from big to small. Hope you enjoyed learning today. Subscribe to Kidspedia for more such videos. See you again in our next video. Bye bye.